does though. Probably is.
It's the same size. It probably costs more to make that than the razor.
Yeah.
The iPhone 5 will be out next year for the kids. Oh wow, look at them all together. Oh, I'll have that nice waxy piece.
Yep.
You want to pick up a candle and just... There you go.
Nikki, how's that frosting?
She loves it.
Good?
All right, you ready?
Index
Remind me not to have that slice.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. That's your cue.
That was close, huh?
Hold on. Nikki and
Hold on. Connor, practice for your birthday. Give a practice one.
Nikki will show
Nikki,
you
show
how to
us
do
how
it.
to do it. All right.
Now
Now it's
Connor's
Connor's turn.
turn. Kim, you might have to
Go
hold
ahead,
it.
Connor.
Practice
Blow it
practice
out.
for your birthday.
You gotta blow it.
Blow it out.
Shy.
Keep going.
I don't need no stinking practice. I know how to do this.
You know, sticking badges.
Oh, did we scare
Oh, we can see it. With the lights on and off. And
Sorry, buddy.
Monkey suit could have been much better. Monkey suit could have been much better.
Do that again. You excited?
Nikki, is that yours?
That's actually me and Jamie's. That's all right.
That's from Jamie and Laura.